To use Debank token balances. Start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive crypto portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their token balances, track their transactions, and analyze their investment portfolios. First, navigate to the Debank website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you have an account, log in to access the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, including the total value of your assets, the number of tokens you hold, and your overall profit and loss. To view your token balances, click on the Portfolio tab. This will take you to a page that displays all the tokens you hold, along with their respective balances and values. You can sort your tokens by balance, value, or price to easily identify your most valuable assets. Next, click on a specific token to view more detailed information. This will take you to a page that displays the token's current price, its market capitalization, and its trading volume. You can also view the token's price chart to track its performance over time. To add a new token to your portfolio, click on the Add Token button and enter the token's contract address. Debank will automatically retrieve the token's information and add it to your portfolio. It's also important to track your transactions to ensure that your token balances are accurate. Debank allows you to connect your wallets and exchanges to track your transactions in real time. To do this, click on the Wallets tab and follow the instructions to connect your wallets and exchanges. Best practices for using Debank token balances include regularly updating your portfolio to ensure that your token balances are accurate, tracking your transactions to monitor your investment activity, and using the price charts to analyze the performance of your tokens. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Debank token balances to track and manage your crypto portfolio. Debank provides a powerful tool for crypto investors to monitor their assets and make informed investment decisions.